are going to do factors to be considered in the use of microscope. Let's see. First one. When the microscope is carried from one place to another, the arm of the microscope should be held by your familiar hand and the other should be kept below the base of the microscope. Then hold the microscope towards your body. So they say the arm your familiar hand, that means the hand you writing, or the greatest hand, so you have to carry the arm from that and you have to keep the other hand below the base of the microscope. So then you have to tight it and hold it towards your body. After that, second one, wipe the stage using a clean piece of cotton after using the microscope. So in here they say to wipe the stage. That means you have to wipe the stage. That means you have to clear the stage, and then from a piece of cotton cloth, but no, not cloth. Sorry, a clean one. Okay. So after using it, okay. So then if the microscope is not used for a long period of time, the lenses should be removed and placed inside a desiccator with silica gel or anhydrous calcium chloride. So they say if you don't use it for a long period of time, that means you go country like that, you have to remove the lenses and place it inside the desiccator with like silica gel or anhydrous calcium chloride. So the fourth one, the microscope should be stored in an upward position to minimize the accumulation of dust. So microscope should be stored in an upward position, not a backward position. That means to minimize the accumulation of dust. You know, dust will come if we use it backwards. So then the next one is fifth one, use clear slide and cover clips in the observation. So this is very important to you because clear slide and cover slips are the things that we kept as specimen. So it can be a non-living or living. So we have to get it clear because sometimes another microorganisms can be there and we will see them too. So we think this one is on this specimen, but it's a wrong thing. That microorganism was in the slide. So because of that you have to clear it very much. Then sixth one, do not change the lenses of one microscope to another. Yes, this is important too. The lenses that it have to be there. Don't you can remove it, but don't place it to another microscope. It is not great. That means it is not a thing that we do recently, but it's a not good thing. It's not good. So remember that things. So today's lesson is over. I will give you the practical of this at today's night. So see you.